I'm here with Nick Rogers of Prospect Mortgage Services. Hi Nick.
Hi Dale.
Just starting off, can you tell us a little bit about your business, Prospect Mortgage Services?
Sure, yeah, we're an island-based company, just purely looking really to service clients on the Isle of Wight with their mortgage and insurance needs. But small team, but been around now, probably doing the job for around 10, 11 years. But yeah, that's primarily what we're doing.
And how are you finding business at the moment?
At the minute it's really busy. We've had a really few busy months, which has been great for us. Obviously with a few of the changes that's come in, it's made things exceptionally busy as well. But yeah, on the whole, it's very good at the minute, very buoyant.
You touched on some of the changes there. How are you finding those changes to the whole mortgage climate are affecting not just those looking to buy properties, but also your business?
Well, the effect on clients has been noticeable. Obviously everything's shifted now to responsible lending. Affordability being a massive factor, so when someone's trying to apply for a mortgage, rather than say times their income by a multiple, now what they'll do, they'll scrutinise their spending habits, their commitments, children, any other associated costs they feel is relevant, and they factor all of that into their decision making. So that's had quite a change. In terms of advisors and our business, we've obviously had to learn a lot. It's almost like starting again in some ways. Lenders that we've used to deal with for many years now have changed how they lend, and what you thought you knew, you no longer. You kind of have to start from scratch and do a lot more homework. So it's good. It's made us rethink things and look at how we can keep our service standards high.
And would you say it's more important now than ever before to get good advice if you're looking for a mortgage?
Oh yeah, it's crucial now, more than ever. It's changed. I mean, even as experienced as we feel we are, you know, we will often have to make certain checks before we can really commit a client to a certain mortgage or an application. So, you know, we've been doing the job combined probably 40, 50 years experience, but we still need to make those checks. Whereas if you went direct to, say, a bank, you're only getting one bank's opinion. Whereas with us being independent, we can look at all the different lenders and therefore effectively go right across the market to see where the best deal is for the client.
And therefore, obviously, communication with the client's very important, and working closely with them throughout that whole process.
It is. Yeah, clients are anxious to know what's going on. The delay we find now is in the decision-making process. So whereas before you could, say, put an application into a lender, and within a couple of weeks you'd have seen, say, the survey would be done, decisions would be made, and you'd have some sort of news to feed back to the client. Now you may not hear anything for a few weeks, and that's creates a bit of anxiety. So we have to keep the client informed all the way as to what's going on, why delays are taking place, what we're doing about it, what the lender's saying. So that's been an important part.
Excellent. We're here at the Chamber of Commerce B2B Expo. You've obviously come along today. How have you found the event?
Yeah, it's great. Yeah, it's nice to see so many local businesses here around us, many of which I know, but it's nice to catch up and talk to them, just see what offers they've got on, and yeah, I'm looking forward to going around and seeing a few more.
Thank you, Nick.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take care.